Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion as a virtual assistant. First, set up your workspace by creating a main dashboard. This dashboard will serve as your central hub for all client-related activities. Organize your clients into a database, adding properties like contact information, service agreements, and project statuses. This foundational step ensures all essential data is readily accessible, saving you valuable time and keeping your operations incredibly organized from day one. Next, let's streamline your task and project management. Build a comprehensive task database where every deliverable lives. Assign clear due dates and priority levels to each item, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. You can link tasks directly to their respective client projects, providing full context at a glance. Visualize your workload using different views, like a Kanban board for progress tracking or a calendar for upcoming deadlines, making management intuitive and efficient. Effective client communication is paramount. Create dedicated client portals within Notion, offering a secure and organized space for sharing updates and files. You can embed important documents, images, and even videos directly onto these pages for easy access. Keep a detailed log of all communications within each client's record, ensuring complete clarity. Utilize Notion's comment and mention features to facilitate real-time feedback and discussions, fostering stronger client relationships and smoother project execution. Finally, elevate your efficiency by automating workflows and centralizing resources. Develop a comprehensive resource library for all your frequently used assets, from brand guidelines to email templates. Set up automated reminders for recurring tasks or follow-ups, ensuring consistency. Consider integrating Notion with other tools you use to further streamline data entry and reporting. Building a personal knowledge base within Notion will also provide quick answers and continuous learning, making you an even more effective virtual assistant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.